Hello everyone, and welcome to the continuation of our web development project. So in our previous lesson, this was what we were able to do. Okay, these icons are taking because they were coded. Okay, they're already taking the. Let's see that in the so they're already taking that in the CSS here. Okay, which is why we have it here. So now let's work on the footer. So I'm going to type footer. So footer is something that HTML identifies, so we don't need to create a class or ID for it. So I'll set its background color to black. Okay. Then we'll set the text color. Um, let's give it a height. Let's give it a height. Okay. Height of let's use 100 px. Let's use 300. And I'm going to give it let's use let me see. Our A tags aren't showing, so we need to create a footer. Then we'll give so footer A tag, which is the anchor tag. Okay, that's our list as we did in our HTML. So here, so A tag. Okay, so we'll change the color to white. Why aren't they showing? Let me enlarge this and see why aren't they showing. Okay, let me comment this out. We'll work on that later. Okay, so I need to see what's happening. Let's work on. Let me see. Change this color. Nothing is happening. Okay, I'll work on this in a moment. Okay, so let's take this out. We'll activate this. Okay, then I'm going to do li, which is a list. So our list, I'll set it to it color to white. Okay. And then remember we have a p tag. Okay, so we have the p tag, and then we have our list li. So with the p tag, we also set our p tag. Since let me just do p tag. So command p. Okay, so we have our p tag here. Our icons to our okay. So let's work on our icon. Okay, remember they're inside the class sock or soup. Set color to white. You're not showing. Okay, what if I take that out? So it's affecting all of these. Okay, I need to work on this. Okay, so let's do dot sock. Okay, so we have it, and then our distance should be normal. Okay, so we still have our things here. So let's work on this on hover. So let's do just going to copy this. Control C. I'm going to paste it. Then let's do hover. So colon hover. I want to set it background color to gold. Okay, so it's not working. Let's see. Okay. So we have it here reflected. Now let's see what we need to do. Okay, so let's work on this. This when they hover, we want to change its color to also gold. So we'll do. Let's use footer li a tag colon hover. Let's set its color to gold. Okay, so let's try that. It's also not working. Let me see. Let's try this. Shouldn't be so. Let me see. Okay, let me work on this first. Let me work on the ft1. So it's a class ft underscore one. Then we'll give it. Let's make display flex. Okay. Then set the flex direction to column. And then give it a row gap of let's use 5px. Okay, so we have some space in between. I'm going to copy this and then do same to Control C. I'll paste it here and I'll change it to 2. So this is what I was trying. So that's for these and then these. Okay, so now let's continue with our footer. So with our footer, let's give it let's make display flex. Okay, then we'll want it to justify content to center. Okay, and then we'll align everything. So align items to center. Okay, then we can give it a column gap of let's use column gap of let me give it 80px. Okay, then margin top of 50px, padding top also 50. Let's use 70. Okay, I can set it width to 100%. Okay, so let's enlarge this and see what we have. Okay, so this is what we have here. Okay, so let's rather copy our paragraph. Okay, Control X this. Then I'm going to paste it here. Yeah, so just so we have it like this. I can change here instead of Google, let's use LinkedIn. So LinkedIn. I hope my spelling is right. LinkedIn. Okay, so we have the LinkedIn icon. So let's center this. Okay, they are all inside the extras. So extras can just go dot extras, do text align, do center, then should be centered. Okay, centered. Okay, so I don't see why this isn't working, but in the next lesson we'll work on adding this logo. Okay, so thank you.